Hi guys, in this tutorial we will be connecting the DS1307 RTC module to the ESP32, reading the current time and displaying it on the 16x2 LCD screen. So let's jump right in and get started. In the workflow, I have created a new project and I have the ESP32 as my main microcontroller. After that, I will add the DS1307 RTC module. This will help us keep track of time. And after that, I need the 16x2 LCD display. We will use this to display the current time. Start by wiring the component. On the RTC module, first we will connect the ground with the LCD ground and also connect this ground to the ESP32. And then connect the 5V of the RTC with the LCD and also connect this to the VCC of ESP32, that is 5V. Now we are left with the I2C pins. The SDA pin of the RTC module and the LCD will be connected to the GPIO 21 of the ESP32. Similarly, the SCL pin of the RTC and the LCD will be connected to the GPIO pin 22 of the ESP32. Now let's move on to the code. I will explain each part step by step so you can follow along. We have included three libraries. Wire.h is used for I2C communication between the ESP32 and the RTC module and the LCD display. Liquid Crystal I2C. This library is used to communicate with and control the LCD screen via I2C. RTC. This library is specifically for working with RTC module like DS1307 and DS3231. RTC underscore DS1307. An object is created from the module. This object will be used to access the RTC method to read the date and time. Liquid Crystal I2C LCD. An object is created for the LCD. The I2C address for the LCD is 0x27 and the LCD has a resolution of 16 column and 2 rows. This object will be used to interact with the LCD display. In the setup, we initialize the serial monitor at baud rate of 115200. RTC.begin initialize the RTC module. If the RTC is not detected, the code prints an error message to the serial monitor and halts execution. This ensures the program doesn't continue without a working RTC. RTC.adjust. This line sets the RTC time to the time when the code was compiled. It uses the date and time macros to get the current date and time. LCD.begin initialize the LCD with 16 column and 2 rows. LCD.backlight turn on the LCD backlight so the display is visible. LCD.set cursor 0,0 set the cursor to the top left corner of the LCD. And the print function display the text digital clock on the first row of the LCD. In the loop, we have date time now equal to RTC.now. This line gets the current date and time from the RTC. The now method return a date time object which contain the current time in hours, minutes, and seconds. LCD.setCursor 0,1 set the cursor to the second row, 0 column, and first row of the LCD. LCD.print display the current hour from the RTC object. DEC indicate that the number is printed in decimal format. LCD.print display a colon between hour, minute, and second. LCD.print display the current minute from the RTC. Similarly for the seconds. Delay pauses the program for 1000 milliseconds before updating the time on the LCD again. This makes the clock update every 1 second. Now that the hardware is connected and the code is uploaded, you can open the serial monitor to check if everything is working fine. Your digital clock should start displaying the time on the LCD right away. If it's your first time uploading your code, you may need to set the correct time. Just wait for the ESP32 to set the RTC time using the compile time. And that's it. You have successfully created a digital clock using the ESP32, RTC module, and the LCD screen. Okay, so thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture.